Daddy Daddy One coming at you. Here we go, y'all. I just found another article. Hundreds of dead fish found along Brer Creek in Richmond and Burke counties. Burke County, Georgia. Let's check out the news report here. See what it has to say. And that's pretty close to Virginia. Pretty close to Virginia too. Sorry, I can't give you the audio for this, but yeah, well, maybe I can. Hold on.
She was at the creek today, and so was our Brett Buffington. Brett's joining us now in Studio A with our big story.
Yeah, Brett, all up and down this stretch of Briar Creek, there are dead fish floating on the edge of the shore, right, washed up on the shore, on the bank. This night, rivers said people in that area could be concerned.
But we're trying to let people know that if you're, how deep is your well?
Savannah Riverkeeper Tanya Benantatibus spent the afternoon Tuesday warning people who stopped along Briar Creek something was wrong with the water. Since Saturday, fish have been washing up dead along the creek shores.
In this instance, we've got all the way down to the tiny little bait fish, all the way up to the big ones, which indicates that it was not a dissolved oxygen kill. It was something other than that killed them very quickly.
The Riverkeeper says a telltale sign that something's wrong here at Briar Creek is the water. If you look at it, you can see right through it, but the Riverkeeper says this water should have a dark tint to it. It should almost be black.
Something's caused the separation of the water, and it's made everything fall out. So you start looking at the industries that use materials that cause separation. Most often you'll find that from kaolin mines.
But Benantatibus says there are 6 kaolin mines in a 6-mile radius from the stretch of creek where the fish were found. The water is now a concern for the people living next to the creek.
Anytime you have fish kill, you've got, obviously some issues.
Steve Johnson has lived on Briar Creek for the last year. He says now he's worried because the creek feeds the well that supplies water to his house.
What are you going to do for water? Bottled water. You're going to do the absolutely.
I don't know. You said you saw a clear change in the water in just about a day?
Yes, sir, I did.
Tonight, the Riverkeeper is warning people around the Briar Creek area don't come in contact with the water.
Okay, y'all, that's pretty serious to me. I mean, that's not cool. But here we found some fish dead. Birds dead, fish dead. And this is right around the, what is it, the New Madrid Fault? Or whatever. New Madrid Fault. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys this news. Get ready for a friggin' earthquake or something. Dead birds, dead fish, harp, and just rivers, waters changed from dark to light. Something's going on. So y'all, be safe, take care, good luck to us all, and God bless us all. This is Chatty Daddy One, over and out.